Hi, I'm Kathleen Matinlassi, presenting a 4-bedroom home with a sparkling swimming pool and quality upgrades, ready to move straight in. Located in a quiet suburb surrounded by lush reserve, you're just minutes away from the lake, the shops and the beaches. Your home is on a corner position with level drive-in and has just been painted throughout with new carpeting. Drenched in the sun all day, your saltwater pool is only 7 years old and will be the focus of summer fun for the family, including a fully fenced yard for the dogs. Inside, there are 2 living spaces, including formal and rumpus areas, as well as your open-plan kitchen with gas cooking. The 4 bedrooms all have built-ins, the master with its own ensuite and walk-in robe. The home is ready for the next family and offers a low-maintenance lifestyle, so be quick to inspect because if you love it, you can buy it.